My name is Kanishka. What is your name?
My name is Padishalini. What is your name?
My name is Kavindashri. What is your name? My name is Vidya. What is your name? My name is Srikavya. What is your name? My name is Anusri. What is your name? My name is Antasi. What is your name? My name is Surya. What is your name? My name is Sibi. What is your name? My name is Nilesh. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Rohit Sharma. What is your name? My name is Kanishka.
Okay. I like vegetables. What do you like? Start.
I like fruits. What do you like? I like fruits. What do you like? Mango. I like mango. I like mango. What do you like? Apple. What do you like? I like mango. I like mango. I like ice cream. What do you like? What do you like?
What do you like?
What do you like? I like mango. What do you like? I like ice cream.
What do you like?
What do you like? I like ice cream. What do you like? I like banana. What do you like?
What do you?
Happy. What do you like? I like fruits.